Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox for file sync on macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name. Provide a valid email address in the email field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password section. To confirm your password, re-enter it in the confirmation field. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy if desired. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create an Account button to proceed. You will be redirected to a setup page. Review any welcome messages or prompts provided by Dropbox. If prompted, select a plan that suits your needs. Choose between the free basic plan or any paid plans. For the free plan, simply click on Continue with Basic. If suggested, you may be asked to invite friends to join Dropbox for a day. Skip this step if you prefer not to invite friends now. Dropbox will then provide you with an option to install the desktop application. Click the Download Dropbox button to begin downloading the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Dropbox on your macOS. Once installed, launch the Dropbox application from your Applications folder. Sign in using the email address and password you registered with. After signing in, follow the setup instructions to choose a Dropbox folder location. You will be prompted to select files or folders you wish to sync. Choose your desired files and folders for syncing to Dropbox. Once your selections are made, click on Next or Continue to finalize the setup. Wait for Dropbox to sync your selected files. You'll see the Dropbox icon in your menu bar indicating it is running. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.